Here's how to download and install the Tableau Desktop Free Edition. This allows you to create and save Tableau workbooks to your computer. Google Tableau Desktop Free Edition and click on Tableau Desktop Free Edition Download. And then click on Download Tableau Desktop. And you'll need to fill out a short form and agree to the terms, and then click Download for free and then install Tableau Desktop Free Edition. If you're using a Windows computer, Tableau Desktop Free Edition is simply labeled Tableau. There are other versions of Tableau. For example, there is also Tableau Public, but in this playlist, we'll stick to Tableau Desktop Free Edition. I'm working with Tableau on a Windows computer. There's also a Mac version, but I personally prefer the Windows version.